Hello guys, how are you? Hope everybody will be fine. Let me guide you for the plinth beam plan. You can see A and B, you can see the center line for these columns, and you can see these are the beams: beam B2, beam B1, beam B1 and beam B2. Beam B2 is long beam, which is 19 feet and 9 inches, and short beams are PB1, right, which is 15 feet, okay, to the each side corner, but to the center line from one center to the other center, which is 13 feet 10.5 inches. Guys, you can see we have two section and two long sections. Short long section for PB1, this one, and you can see the long one is PB2, which is this one, PB2, plinth beam B2. And these are two section, guys, you can see clearly, right? Section AB and section A, 1A, and the section 1B. So guys, let me guide you how to read this drawing, especially for the plinth beam, which size you can say, which is 19 feet 9 inches by 15 feet, right? So note all plinth beams are 13.5 inches by 18 feet, so 18 inches. It means this is the size of beam. You can say 18 inches depth, right? And the width is 13.5 inches. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Let's get started, guys. You can see, guys, these are the columns: one column, second column, third column, and fourth column. This is center line for this beam. So now let me guide you for the shorter beam, which is called plinth beam PB1, which is this one. So now, guys, we have two sections here. 1B, this one, and you can see 1A, this one. First of all, the size is 13.5 inches by 18 inches. So now let me guide you for 1A. So the 1A is this one, 1A. Guys, you can see here, the size is 18 inches by 13.5 inches. If you see, guys, we have 3 bars at the bottom, 3 at the top, and the dia is 5 suture. The bottom one is, you can see 3 bars. You can see clearly 3 bars, and the dia is 5 suture. And the stirrup details, you can see 3 suture with the spacing of 4 inches, right? So guys, hooks are bent on 135 degree. The length should not be less than 3 inches. So guys, here we have one extra bar which are placed at the distance of 5 feet with hook. You can see here in this section only one bar, because we have negative bending moment here. Same, guys, we required here. Now let me focus the camera for you people. You will know very well, guys. You can see we have 3 bars at the bottom and 3 at the top, guys, you can see, but the third one is at the middle, which are like this one, guys, you can see, with hook, okay, at the distance of 5 feet. Therefore this section is A1A, and you can see this is 1A. Next, guys, if you see, the spacing is 4 inches center to center. Look here, 4 inches center to center. So the stirrup spacing is 3 suture diameter with the spacing of 4 inches. But if you see the second section, guys, you can see the size, everything is okay. Only we have 2 bars at the top portion, because we don't have the negative bending moment at the middle. Therefore, guys, you can see 3 bars at the bottom. Same this one. The bottom section is same for both. Only the top portion is different from each other. And only you can see we have one extra bar to resist negative bending moment, especially at the distance of 5 feet, and also the distance of 5 feet with hook. Hook means this one hook, guys, you can see. This hook which are connected with the column, guys, you can see this is column. All right. So therefore, guys, if you see the 1B and 1B, so this is the section, 3 bars at the bottom, 2 at the top. Only this is the way for this beam, right? Next, guys, if you see the beam other one, which is called plinth beam B2. So the section is same for both. Only the length is increased, but the dimensions are same, right? For this one, now this is B2, this one B2, and you can use the same one. Only the span is 19 feet and 9 inches, you can see. And the shorter is, guys, you can see clearly which is 13 feet from one center to the other, 13 feet and 10.5 inches. If you see guys, only the difference is at the distance of L by 3 or L by 4. You can say this is 6 feet and 8 inches, only 6 feet 8 inches. But in shorter beam, this is only 5 feet. The other thing is same. So guys, this is the way how to read the structural drawing for plinth beam, because we have shorter beam and longer beam. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.